Good morning children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths term 3. This class is given for revision term 1 and term 2 portions. Term 1 portion for taken this time. That time is given to revision for today class. This is included for third term portions. Okay. This one is given for example of clock. Clock is having the time for 12 hours. But railway time is using for 24 hours. So I here converted for 12 hours is changed for 24. So 1 o'clock is 13. 1 to 12 after you reach the time for 13, 14, 15, then 16, then 17, 18, 6 o'clock is changed for 18 hours, then 19, next 20, next 21, next 22, next 23, then next 24. So totally using the railway time for 24 hours. But you reach the time 12 o'clock after you say for 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So this is for railway timing, that is saying for conversion of time. In your book exercise given for some activities, Unit 5 time portions. So this one is given for year. Yesterday. When do you go to bed yesterday? Yesterday, which time you go to bed? That's one year to ask the question. So you write your own time. Then when will you get up in the morning? Morning time also you should draw the and write the time. When will you go to school? That should also you draw the and write the time. The next one, here given the clock, and shows the time. So you find out now. Here given the and for 1 o'clock is short and. Here for 5. So this is the minute and. So you write the time now. 1 o'clock, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20, 15, 20, 25. So 1:25 is the time. So write here 1 o'clock, 25 minutes. Then next one, here shows for 10 o'clock. Then here shows for 10 minutes. So 10, 10. The next one, 3 o'clock, here 12, so 0 minutes. So you should write 3 o'clock, 0 minutes. The next one action is given to you. Given the time, so you draw the and. Here for shows the time for 11 o'clock. So you should draw the and for short and. Then long and for 40 minutes. 40 minutes is shows the time for 8 number. Shows for long and. The same method used to apply now. Remaining 2 sums. Already you studied the first term. You once again revise you. Okay children. So only using for railway time for 24 hours clock. Here given for 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock when we reach midnight 12 o'clock, then afternoon time 12 hours. So this 2 times is added for 0 hours to 24 hours. So 0 starting for 0. Then after midnight you reach the time 12 o'clock, that is 24 hours. So starting time is midnight 0. Then again next day reach the 12 o'clock night. That time is saying for 24 hours. So here noon 12 o'clock, hours 12 o'clock. That is told for 24 hours. Then next one, 9 o'clock is AM. 9 o'clock is AM, but 1 o'clock is PM, but you should write 1 o'clock conversion for 13 hours. 12 hours after reach the next one 1 o'clock. That is saying for 1 o'clock is hours time 13 hours. You should write the hours time for 13 hours, but you write the time AM or PM means 9 AM 1 PM, or you say the time hours 9 o'clock 13 hours. In your book exercise given for this one conversion, midnight 12 o'clock, so that is for 0 hours or 24 hours, any one method you say. 20 minutes reach after 12 o'clock, that is AM, so 20 hours, 20 minutes for hours. Then 49 hours, 1 o'clock AM, morning 1 o'clock, so that is 1 hour. Then morning 4 o'clock, that is 4 hours. 5:30 hours. 1:15 hours. 12 o'clock 12 hours. Then after reach the afternoon, then next one write the PM. Before that is you should write for AM. Then next one coming for PM. So you added now 12 after 13, 14 hours, 24 conversions. So now here 12, 1 only, 12, 29, 59, 12, 59 hours. Then reach for 1 o'clock, that is saying for here 13. 4 o'clock, 13 after 14, 15, 16. Then next one 5, 20, so 17, 20. 9, 45, 21, 45. So 11, 30, 23, 30 hours. So you should write only hours, that is 24 hours clock. 12 hours you should write AM or PM. Okay children, you understand this? Then next one try to do. First one is a standard time for 3:30 AM. So hours also you should write for 3:30. Then next one 4:15 PM. So 4:15 PM you should write for 4 o'clock is 16 hours. You should write 16, 15 minutes. So 15 hours. Then next one 12:15 hours. Same time 12:15 is PM. Reach the time 12, that is saying for PM. 12:01 is PM. 12 o'clock is noon. Then next one 20 hours. You should convert now. So 20 for 8 o'clock. So 20 hours is 8 o'clock. So write 8:15 PM. So remaining two sums you complete it. Then next one 24 hours clock or 12 hours clock is used for 2:20. So this is the number 2 o'clock, and between the number 2 and 3 in between the hours and you draw. Then 20 is straightly shows the time for 4. So that is for 20. So 2:20. So midnight 2:20, this is the time. But afternoon 2:20 is saying for digital clock 14 hours 20 minutes. So this is the digital clock. But use the normal clock is same time is shows for the and only shows for same. But yours only manually calculated and say the hours 24 hours. Or use the digital clock display for 14 hours 20 minutes. This one also using the same method. Clock is shows for 6 o'clock 55 minutes, but digital clock shows for 06:55. But evening time, this is the morning time, but evening time is also clock shows the same method, but yours only converted the time for 18 hours 55 minutes. That is the manual work, that is for conversion, railway timing conversions. Okay children, you learn carefully. Once again you repeat the book exercise and work out yourself. Thank you children.